Hi, this is your information on how to do the Snork assignment. So for starters, make sure that you are drawing the Snork that that matches your last name. So your last name starts with A or B, you'll be drawing Snicker. F to L, Snuffle, M to R, Snapple, and your last name starting with S to W, you'll be drawing Snoopy. I'll just start with explanation on how we would start drawing Snoopy. You notice that we've got an AUG to begin with and an UAA codon to end with, and that's because when you go to your chart on the last page of your booklet, I also will attach this photo to this assignment, but those, as you can see, are the start and stop codons that mean they're the beginning and the end of the sequence that you're reading. So when we're looking at Snoopy, you notice that we've got three RNA sequences that we can use in our chart to see what amino acids we're making. And what we'll do there is realize that the first section will tell you whether the Snork is hairless or hairy. We do notice, though, that no matter what, the only two choices, hairless or hairy, will both start with valine and serine, so that the best thing to do is to check the last sequence and see if it's leucine or lysine. So we go over to Snoopy, and we see that CUC is going to tell us the answer to that. So we take our CUC, and we know those are RNA sequences, so we can use them right in our chart, which is going to tell us what the RNA sequences code for. So when you look at CUC, first base being C, second base is U, it must be over here somewhere. CUC is leucine. So we know that over here is leucine. So that means that in our first trait, we know that our Snork is going to be hairless. So we know that that's the trait we are going to be drawing. Now for body style, the first one is different. So it's either, what is that, tyrosine or valine, and that will tell us whether it's plump or skinny. So we're going to check out the first sequence. So we go first amino acid in the next sequence. So what we have here is UAC is the first one. Then we go over here and we see that UAC is tyrosine. So since UAC is tyrosine, we know that for this second set, we don't have to do all of them, because that already will tell us that it's that one, because it's tyrosine, so we know it's going to be a plump little Snork. So there's the first two traits for the Snoopy Snork, and you guys can keep checking those out. They will be gene 3, gene 4, they will all be in order. This will be gene 3, this will be gene 4, gene 5, and by the end you're going to have circled all of the characteristics of your Snork and be able to sketch the Snork. Make sure you color it, because it is a certain color. As you can see here, it's going to be either blue or red skin. Sketch your Snork, take a photo of it, and upload it to this assignment. Any questions with this, you can ask me at the meet. But there you go, guys. Have a great time drawing your Snork.